In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button in Hubspot. We're going to focus on adding a button to a marketing email using Hubspot's drag and drop editor. I'll walk you through each part of the process so you not only know where to click, but also understand what each option does and how to get the result you want. First, log into your Hubspot account and head to your main navigation bar. At the top, hover over the Marketing tab and then select Email. This will take you to your email dashboard, where you can see any existing emails you've created, along with options to create new ones. Next, either open an existing email draft that you want to edit, or create a new marketing email using your usual template. Once your email is open in the editor, look over to the left-hand sidebar. This is your content panel, where you can see all the different modules you can add, such as text, images, and in this case, a button. Find the button module in that content sidebar. Click and drag the button module into the section of your email where you want it to appear. Take a moment to think about placement here. Buttons usually work best in a clear, visible spot, like under a key piece of text, at the end of a section, or near your main call to action. As soon as you drop the button into your email, its settings will appear in the sidebar. Here, you'll see a field labeled Button Text. This is the text your audience will see on the button. Type in clear, action-oriented wording like download now, book a call, or learn more. Short, direct phrases tend to perform best. Below that, you'll see the link to option. This controls where people go when they click your button. Click the drop-down and choose whether you want to link to a URL, a file, or a meeting link. If you select URL, paste in the full web address you want visitors to reach. If you choose File, you can attach something like a PDF or a guide stored in Hubspot. If you choose Meeting, select one of your existing meeting links so contacts can instantly book time with you. Once your text and link are set, review everything to make sure it looks right and points to the correct destination. When you're happy with the setup, click Done in the editor to save your changes. That's all it takes to add a button to your Hubspot marketing email in a clean, effective way.